Alright fam, how is everybody doing today? Good, because you are back for another amazing video. Come on in the kitchen. Fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're gonna go on and make this a quick video, you guys, because I'm in the mood for deep fried food. So I just want to touch bases with you just to show you how to make some easy home style or homemade batter for all purpose food items, could I say? But anyway, you guys, we're going to make this batter without the, what is it, Celsius water? I don't know. Follow me on this. But anywho, we got a cup of flour. Not quite a cup, because I don't have that many, I want to say tripe, because that's what I'm cooking. So I'm going to use this cup of flour. Now I'm using self-rising flour, but you can use the all-purpose if that's your choice. You just got to add your salt. You got to add, what is it, baking powder. And you know what, you guys? Okay, wait a minute. Let me take my time, because I don't want any eggshells. So, look at there, a double egg, you guys. Okay. So, all you need is eggs, right? Let me wipe my hands. You need eggs, and you need your type of seasoning that you want your batter to taste like, right? So, we're going to start off with, I'm going to put a little soul food seasoning in this batter right here. Now, you season it with whatever you would like, okay? Now, once you try this batter, I promise you'll never buy another bag again, okay? And we're going to put some onion powder in here. Yeah. Now, if you love onion powder, if you want garlic powder, put it in there, okay? And we got some black pepper. It's also cool to use a little black pepper. It's your recipe, right? You make it however way you want to. And let's not forget the paprika, because we want a little color on it, right? Now, as soon as I get this paprika open, it's going to go in here. There we go. Okay? Now, I can't actually give you the right measurements, because I don't know how much seafood you're going to make. But this is the basic ingredients that you will use to make your own batter. Now, I'm eyeballing the water because I want you to see the, what you call it? Y'all help me out. Now, y'all ain't in here for nothing. Okay? Consistency. Okay, laugh about it. Okay, laugh about it. But we're going to get this batter did, right? But you see it, it's coming together. This is your own homemade fried batter recipe, you guys. This is so easy, and the steps are so easy, and the flavor is gonna be in it. It's gonna be some tasty batter. Yes, tasty batter. Now, if you want to turn this into seafood, put your little Old Bay in there. Okay, put your little Old Bay. Now, you don't have to make a beer batter. What if one day you ain't got the beer? Okay. Or you don't have seltzer water. You could still make your batter. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and let it chill. Maybe about the time that it's going to take for my tripe to get tender. But until then, you guys, I'll see you on the tripe video. Bye-bye.